Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, and welcome back to the third tutorial on Matlab course. In this tutorial we will learn how to write a mathematical expression in Matlab. Okay, so in this tutorial we will be doing three examples. Alright, example 1, 2 and 3. So let's do it. But for the time being I write this in the Matlab format, so from here I will copy this and I will paste that in the Matlab file. But you have to do a practice, because without practice it's difficult to learn Matlab. So let's open a Matlab. Okay, so first of all you have to open a new file, right, as I told you in the second tutorial. So when you open the Matlab files, this is Matlab file, right, and then you have to save this m file, right? So you go to file, then save as, right? Then I can save this file here in the corona outbreak in Matlab. So let's say I name it T5, right? Okay, T5. So and then you have to change the current directory, like here let's see, the current directory is in C folder, but we save the file in D, so you have to change this, otherwise it will give you error. So let's change from here, like go to this, then D, right, corona outbreak, then Matlab, right, then okay. Now our current directory is on the right position. So let's copy the first one, like for example 8v plus 6w divided by 3p. If we have given v equal to 3, w5 and p2, it will give you answer 9. Okay, so how to write this in Matlab? It's hence for you have to write this in like this in the Matlab m file, right? So from here I will copy this, okay, because it will save over time, but you have to do practice. Okay, then I will paste it here, right, but I will remove this because it won't recognize it. What is this? Matlab won't recognize this. Okay, so then we have v is equal to 3, w5, p2, and this is our equation. Okay, so now let's run this equation. You can run it from here as well. So T5, we save our Matlab file as a m file as a T5 by the name T5, so you can run it from here as well. When you run, it will give you answer 9, or you can run it from the file name which we save, like we save by the name T5, so you can do it like T5 equal to, so it will give you the answer. So this was the first example, and which was quite easy. Now let's do the second one. I remove this, we will paste the second one here. Now the second question is, find the following: square root of 2x plus 6y plus 9y divided by 2z. If we have x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 3. So I write how to write this in Matlab. You have to write this in Matlab like this. Okay, your m file like this. So from here I will copy this because it will save our time, but you have to write this in Matlab m file. Okay, so I will copy, so I will paste it here, right? Okay, but you have to put the semicolon here because it's necessary to terminate every line, right? If you won't put it here, because it will it's the final equation, so it will give you answer. If you put it here, it doesn't matter, right? So we have x equal to 1, y 2, z3, and square root of this plus 9y, but where there is multiplication you have to put the steric sign. Okay, and you have to put this in the put the parentheses as well. Okay, so now you can run this because we save our file. You can do it in another m file as well, but I will do it in the same file as I saved it, the first m file by the name T5. So from here we will learn, we will do it like run by the name T5. So when I enter, it give me error, and it tell me that error is in T5, it square root of, so in here it is some like it's error, like it's on a red line, so error is here. So if you look at this, this S is capital. If we make it small, right, because and the square root, you have to write square root like in small letters, right? So when I put it when I make it small, now let's check. Now it will give you answer, right, like 6.7417, or you can clear it from here as well, and you can run this file by the name of the file like T5. Okay, so it will give you the answer, right? So this was the second example. Let's clear that. Okay, now we have to do the third example as well. And the third example is write a program to find the distance between 2 points like x1 y1 and x2 y2. So okay, so first of all you have to code this like x1 is equal to 4, x2 is equal to 3, y1 is equal to 9, y2 is equal, and you have to put the semicolon here. Like you have to write this in the Matlab M file like this, like x1 is equal to 4 semicolon, same for this, and you know the distance formula is square root of x1 minus x2 whole square into y1 minus y2 whole square. Okay, so I will copy this from this Word file and I will paste a Matlab M file, right? For time being it will save our time. Okay, so when I paste it here, you can also do it like you can write it in the comment as well, like formula is given, formula of distance is given, right? So this is the formula of the distance. Now when you run this file, it will give us error, and the error is in what's unbalanced or unexpected parenthesis bracket. Here it gives us the error, the red line show its error. So if you look at this, if you look at this formula, the distance formula is square root of x1 minus x2 whole square dot. Here we must put a asterisk sign because there's here it is multiplication. So here we will put a asterisk sign, right? Here we will put a here we will put a asterisk sign, so it will then it will be okay. Now let's see, the red sign is removed, so it's okay. So you can run this file from here, so it give us answer 4, or you can run this file by the name of the file like T5, enter, so it gives answer 4. So this was all about tutorial 3. In tutorial 3 we covered how to write mathematical expression in Matlab. So follow this tutorial. Okay, in the coming tutorial we will be covering more about Matlab. So thank you.